The first consideration is the material for the structure. We chose a sheet of plywood because relative to metal, it is way cheaper. It is easier to cut and piece together without special tools. And also, it is lighter and inflexible. Two characteristics that I think is great for shelves. And why 3/4 inch? Why not half an inch or a quarter of an inch? Well, first of all, let me explain about nominal thickness and actual thickness when it comes to plywood. While the length and width are often the actual dimensions, typically 4 feet wide by 8 feet tall, the nominal thickness is usually different than the actual thickness. This means that whenever you go to the hardware store and ask for a 3/4 inch plywood, you're actually going to receive something slightly thinner than 3/4 inch. Always. 3/4 is the nominal thickness, or in name only, and the actual thickness is usually 23/32 inches. So regardless if you're ordering for 3/4, 1/2, or 1/4 inch thick plywood, the actual thickness will always be at least 1/32 inches thinner. There are a few reasons why the actual thickness of plywood varies. The most common is that wood shrinks as it dries, and moisture leaves the wood. This means that a sheet of plywood that started at 3/4 inch may shrink slightly after manufacturing. And no, the hardware store will not give you a discount for a 3/4 inch plywood just because it's actually thinner than 3/4 inch. It is what it is in the industry. Anyway, going back, I chose 3/4 inch thick because from my experience, it is the optimal thickness for building strong shelves and cabinetry. Anything thinner would simply be too flimsy to hold heavy stuff, even to hold their own weight.